London is doomed, said Dr. Goebbels. And Adolf Hitler's intuitive propaganda experts claimed that in its first few days of attack last June, V-1, the flying bomb, the robot bomb, the buzz bomb, had almost entirely removed the city of London from the war-scarred face of the earth. But soon even German propaganda changed its spots. Once again, the great, patient, enduring city of London was suffering. Suffering, but alive. You can sit back in your seat in this theater and see and hear V-1, but you cannot imagine how London suffered and worked and fought. Find yourself as V-1 might have found you, coming at you from dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn. Any day, all day. Any night, all night. For 80 days and 80 nights. You're an office worker coming home around 6. And this is your house. You're a passenger on a cross-town bus. And this is the end of your last trip. You're a kid at school. And this is your lesson for the day. You're an airman on leave. And this is your welcome mat. You're a diner in a restaurant. And this is where you had your last bite. You're a patient in a hospital. And this is your final treatment. You're a worshiper in a church. And this is where you kneeled and never got up again. Yes, London suffered under V-1. 23,000 buildings utterly destroyed. 1 million damaged. Over 5,000 lives lost. Over 16,000 broken. But London worked. You're a member of a heavy rescue squad and you dig with your hands to save a life. You're an attendant in a first aid station and you haven't slept for 3 days. You're a GIMP and you break patrol to help the London Bobby. You're the man on the street and you do what you can. London suffered, and London worked, and London fought.